going to discuss Ilano Nihongo Lesson 17 and 18. In Lesson 17, the first form is the verb nai form, which means not to. The nai form is the informal equivalent of the verb ending in masen. Now, let's learn how to convert verbs from their mas form to their nai form. For group 1 verb, change the I or E line syllable to A or A line syllable and add nai at the end. For example, nakushimasu becomes akusanai, dashimasu becomes dasanai, kaseshimasu becomes kesanai, nugimasu becomes nuganai, nomimasu becomes nomanai, hairimasu becomes hairanai, torimasu becomes toranai, owarimasu becomes owaranai, kakimasu becomes kakanai. However, for verb with I syllable before mas, the I syllable changes to wa. For example, kaimasu becomes kawanai, aimashimasu becomes awanai, haraimasu becomes harawanai. For group 2 verbs, simply change mas to nai. For example, oboemasu becomes obenai, wasuremasu becomes wasurenai, dekakemasu becomes dekakenai, kakemasu becomes kakenai, mimasu becomes minai, abimasu becomes abinai, karimasu becomes karinai. For group 3 verbs, it's similar to group 2, but with some exceptions. For example, shimasu becomes shinai, kimasu changes to konai, ki syllable changes to ko, zangyoshimasu becomes zangyoshinai. These rules cover how to modify verbs from their mas form to their nai form across the different verb groups. For lesson 18, let's convert verbs from their mas form to the dictionary form. The dictionary form is the basic or plain form of the word as it appears in Japanese dictionary. For group 1 verbs, change the syllable before mas from I line or E to U or A line. For example, airamas becomes araw, hikimas becomes hiku, utaimas becomes utaw, oyogimas becomes oyogu, kakimas becomes kaku, ikimas becomes iku. And for group 2 verbs, simply replace mas with ru. For example, dekimasu becomes dekiru, atsumemasu becomes atsumeru, abimasu becomes abiru, tabemasu becomes taberu, yamimasu becomes yameru. And for group 3 verb, shimasu becomes suru and kimasu becomes kuru. Other example include unten shimasu becomes unten suru. The difference among the verbs as follows. The dictionary form is base form found in dictionaries. The nai form is the informal negative form equivalent to the polite negative form masen. The mas form is the formal or polite form of